Okay, team. In preparation for the volleyball league na sasalihan natin, ay nag-imbita ako ng isang player na tutulong sa atin at para mag-motivate na rin. And I'm sure, girls, I'm sure kilala nyo to. Dahil isa lamang siya sa pinakamagaling na UAAP player sa ating bansa. And also, nakapaglaro na rin siya sa SEA Games at iba pang international game.
I know her, Coach. She's the reigning MVP of the UAAP. And we have the same surname. Valdez.
Exactly, Trixie. It's Eliza Valdez.
Hi, girls! Hi, Coach!
Hi!
For sure, tinuruan naman kayo ni Coach Butch ng tamang form ng spiking, kung paano mag-serve, at syempre hindi kakalimutan ni Coach ang winning na moves nyo na dapat niya ituro talaga, di ba, girls?
Yes!
But like other sports, tinuturuan din tayo ng volleyball na maging responsible, ng time management skills, sportsmanship, and teamwork. At andito ako ngayon to watch you train and practice as a team. Yay! Wow! Go trick.
Next week.
Everyone will train, everyone naman. Pero the difference, part nila, kung maglalaro sila sa sarili mo, I gave my 100%.